Kaspa new exchange listing and the adoption is growing. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm Chris and today we're about to see lots of interesting things around Kaspa. We will start around what happened since yesterday in the Kaspa price. We will see the technical side because the technical side right now is very close to flip very bullish, okay, to flip an extremely bullish situation. And also obviously we're about to see the exchange that listed the Kaspa that caused some pump some momentum to the upside. Also, we're about to see the hash rate and some very also valuable news like the reduction that we're going to see in 4 days from now. And also, we're going to speak for the top addresses for the accumulation that the whales do as usual. So if you're interested to know all of these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to clarify you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever that you're going to see on this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Always do your own research before any kind of financial investment. And if you are a Kaspa enthusiast, Kaspa holder, or Kaspa investor, guys, I recommend you to subscribe to my channel because daily I upload videos around Kaspa where I try to educate you and inform you with the latest news around the Kaspa. So it's going to be very beneficial to have a subscribe to my channel because you're going to know the news or the education by first hand. And do not forget to check my Patreon group because here you're about to find my VIP private Telegram community where you're gonna have access to speak with me 24/7. You can ask me absolutely everything on that group. Every concern, every question is gonna be answered by me as soon as possible. Also, we have lots of guys with very high experience and also and couple multimillionaires in that group. So all together we are working like a family. We're helping each other, and we have got some great atmosphere, especially if you are a Kaspa investor. Also, on that Patreon group, you're gonna have access to my crypto portfolio. You are going to see exactly how I handle my crypto portfolio after all of this experience that I've got since 2016. And also, you're about to see my buy signals, take profit signals, and sell signals in real time. So, if you are interested to build connections, to have fun, to upgrade your knowledge, and obviously make gains, this Patreon group is for you, and I'm waiting to see you there. And without losing more time, let's get back to the video and start with the price of Kaspa, the typical update, and then we're gonna move into the technicals. Guys, Kaspa right now today is standing at 0.035 cents. Before a couple hours, we were at 0.036 cents, and that's obviously caused by the fundamentals. That's why I'm always telling you that fundamentals are stronger than technicals. Okay, some people rely only on technical side and they are telling you that, okay, look at this, we have a head and shoulder and Kaspa technically will get to 2 cents. But if we're gonna see any major exchange, top tier exchange that is about to list Kaspa, Kaspa can skyrocket into a new all-time high. So yes, it can happen during the bear market, and we have seen that in the past of Kaspa because Kaspa was pumping while Bitcoin was dumping. Okay, we have seen that in the past. But obviously, the current exchange that added Kaspa, it's not so famous exchange. It's well-known exchange, but not in the top tier category of the exchanges. Okay, we're about to see that in a very few. Also, right now we are still ranked 42, which is still powerful. Okay, that's why I love that Kaspa is community-driven project without being backed by major exchanges. We are in the ranked 42 of the top 100 coins, which is crazy. Kaspa, I believe, when it's gonna list it and it's gonna be backed by all exchanges and it's gonna be accessible to everyone, Kaspa will be under top 25 even in a bear market, and mark my words for that. When Kaspa was in the ranked top 90 coins from a market cap side, I mean, I was telling you that Kaspa will be under top 60 the next coming weeks, and we are right now under top 42 and under top 50. Before 4 or 5 days, we were top 48, if I don't do any mistake, and we have seen Kaspa even lower than that, which is astonishing. That's crazy power, and most people don't realize that Kaspa is handing the next coming years, the 2025, in the top 5, in the top 10. So I hope for these guys to realize that, and I hope to don't do this basic mistake to sell too early. Okay, because I view the things that Kaspa can get easy to $10, and the majority of people will sell Kaspa, all the Kaspa, at $1 or $2. And when they're gonna see Kaspa at $10, they're gonna hit their head in the wall. Anyway, right now the market cap is 718 million. Guys, this is screaming an accumulation. Okay, you should accumulate right now with dollar cost average because these prices are very, very discounted. You need to realize that Caspa right now is starting like we have Black Friday today. Okay, it's not gonna be ever the Black Friday. I believe that Caspa anytime soon will be above 1 billion and it will never drop under 1 billion ever again. So don't miss the opportunity to accumulate at these extremely low prices. And let's go straight into the technical side because look what's happening. I have been telling you that there is a massive probability for a bounce, and if especially we're gonna break this resistance, the situation here is gonna flip into extremely bullish. Okay, and some people called me crazy because here we have this head and shoulder pattern, and people say that technically we are so bearish and gonna get very, very low under 2 cents, and these people actually ignore 100% of fundamentals. They rely on technicals, and that shows me inexperience. If you would like to be more accurate with predictions, which is something that personally I don't care. Okay, I don't care about the short term. I'm here for the Caspa, for the long run, 2025, 2029, even 2032. I'm not here actually to grab some profits and leave. I'm here long-term investor. I'm not day trader. I'm not even swing trader. I will take some profits in 2025 just to enter back in a bear market. Simply as that. Not because I don't believe the project and I'm gonna actually take quickly profits and I'm gonna leave. No, I will grab profits just to enter back in the bear market. That's gonna be my strategy for Caspa and also for the Bitcoin too. This is what I'm doing since 2016. Anyway, right now, as I told you, we are very close either to break the support or the resistance. The resistance, I mean, is from this downtrend movement, and the support, guys, is from this huge uptrend movement, which is forming from early days of June. And I have told you that this is very strong to break. If it's gonna break, because everything happened, I believe it's gonna happen because the liquidation of the Bitcoin. I believe that if Bitcoin gonna drop to 24,000, 23, or 22, $21,000, then Kaspa can drop at this 0.027 cents or maybe lower if Bitcoin gonna get to $17,000, back to $17,000. Obviously, all the crypto markets is gonna be liquidated. Okay, don't mess the things. But if Bitcoin gonna stay in the area of $25,000 within $32,000, I believe it's impossible for Kaspa to drop back to 0.020 cents. Okay, I believe it's impossible because the fundamentals. Who's gonna sell Kaspa in loss? No one. Lots of people bought Kaspa above 3 cents. Some people bought above 4 cents. Who's gonna sell at these prices? Even the majority of people who bought early, they have a plan to sell couple Kaspa at 2025, not earlier than that. So before we move on, guys, here if we're gonna break this resistance, I would like to tell you that we're gonna get straight to this 0.042 cents, which is gonna be super bullish, and maybe we're gonna continue straight to 5 cents again. Maybe then we're gonna consolidate or we're gonna see another retracement later on. We will see. But if we're gonna break this resistance, that's gonna be super bullish. That's why I'm telling you that we are in very crucial line, and you need to dollar cost average, because if we're gonna break this resistance, guys, maybe we will never ever come back under 4 cents again. So think about it, and you should take action, not financial advice. You need to actually take the decision by yourself. Anyway, let's move on to the hash rate. Hash rate right now is 16.26 petahash per second. Before a couple hours was above 17 petahash per second, which is something that we love due to the reason that we have stability healthy in the network of Kaspa, and I'm expecting, as I have told you, to see hash rate above 20 petahash per second and even 30 by the end of September. All the ASICs are going to be delivered at the end of September. And also the next reduction is in 4 days, which means that ASIC miners every month should keep their Kaspa coins and wait for price appreciation to be profitable, to keep the profitability. Okay, so that's why I love the Kaspa emission plan. It's very smart. Anyway, let's move straight into these top addresses. You can clearly see we lost one whale, we lost a couple dolphins, but also we gained a couple sharks. Okay, um, and from the addresses, top 10 addresses, we didn't show any crazy significant move. So almost it's the same as yesterday, so I won't stay here anymore, and I will get you straight, guys, into the news of the listing. Which the new listing, guys, is the Bitmart. It's not so big exchange, it's not so famous exchange, but it's an exchange that some people use, and obviously it opens more doors for the people to find Kaspa. Okay, for example, if some people use Bitmart right now, can get Kaspa easier. They can flip a coin and they can buy. They can flip a shitcoin and they can buy some Kaspa because they have got a forgotten altcoin in Bitmart. So all of these things create some momentum, and also Bitmart obviously bought some Kaspa. Okay, I believe they bought approximately 150 million. But I will confirm that tomorrow in the tomorrow video how much actually they bought, and they are available into their exchange. I believe soon they're gonna start accumulating like crazy, like the other similar crypto exchanges like the Mixi, the KuCoin, the Get.io, that are accumulating in silence. I believe Bitmart will start accumulating too, and that's something that is very, very bullish. From time to time, you're about to see Kaspa in more exchanges, from small exchanges up to top tier exchanges, and that's gonna drive the adoption even bigger and bigger and bigger, and we're gonna see Kaspa at very high levels. This is why I believe from anytime soon we will see Kaspa under top 40, under top 30, especially when we're gonna list in top tier exchanges. And Kaspa obviously at that time is gonna be above 1 billion market cap, which is pretty bullish. So that's the video today. I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Let me know if you have any question. Drop it down below in the comment section. And also I would like to show you and reply to a question that I get asked a lot. Chris, where you store your Kaspa, or what's the safest method to store your Kaspa? Guys, the safest method is the cold storage. And from the cold storages, the cold storage that I personally like, and that's not because they sponsored me or whatever. I chose this cold storage because as an investor, I believe that this cold storage is superior than everything else. And that's the Tazem wallet. Okay, you can actually use the CryptoChris discount code. You can have some extra discount by buying the 3-pack cards, which I recommend you the 3-pack cards, not the 2. Otherwise, you can click here, this link, and the discount code is going to be applied immediately. So I recommend you, as I told you, the 3-pack cards, because the 2-pack cards are more vulnerable to lose. Okay, so 3-pack cards, you are more safe, and I recommend you to go for that. Also, for those who ask me where I buy Kaspa from a centralized exchange that doesn't have KYC. That's the Mixi. If I find something better, I'm gonna show you the other alternative. But right now, I buy personally from Mixi, and I said straight into the cold storage. And that's what you should do too. Buy from a crypto exchange and send immediately to your cold storage. Don't keep your Kaspa and your Bitcoin and every other altcoin in general into exchanges. Okay, it's not yours if you keep these in exchanges. So that's the video, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Appreciate you for every like and every comment. It means a lot to me. I will see you all in my next video, and until my next video, your boy Chris out. Bye.